Hey, we're back in another video, and we have this baby working. So, let's pull this alarm. I'm super scared. This makes a loud sound. First, let me have my key. Where is that? But yeah, if you watched my last video, you would see that a new fire alarm came into the family. Okay, guys, I got my key, and I'm scared to try this. Okay. 3, 2. I have to run when I do this because it's not going to be too quiet, is it? Okay, I'm going to have the door open so I can run. Somebody. 3, 2, 1, 0. Whoa. Guys, that was so loud. I'm going to wear headphones this time because that was super loud and I couldn't even reset the pole station. That was crazy. I had to unplug it. You guys, I hope that didn't hurt your ears or anything. I am wearing headphones right now, so that is super loud. Super loud. Okay, I'm going to do it again and see how loud it is and see if I could actually reset the pole station. 3, 2, 1. Here, let me close the door because I don't want people to think I'm crazy. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, that helps. Now I could actually reset this. It still does bring a lot of... Oh, Lord. Somebody help. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, my God. Hold on, I need to unscrew that a bit. Okay, guys, I put some cotton balls in my ears and with the headphones, if you can notice. Here, see? So, yeah, I hope this helps. Run!
Come on.
Whew. This doesn't even hurt my ears. If it's getting close. Okay, guys. That was kind of annoying and loud at the same time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I freaking hate that outro.